Okie dokie, here we go. We are doing a quick review of the Keurig. Well, this is you got a light Keurig 2.0. I'll put the model number in the description, but I'm making this for my mom. So, here's how this opens. Still opens up, but here, let's grab that. So, you kind of put it in here. See what I mean about how it's flat and flush? Why is it not focusing? There we go. So you can kind of see how when you, I hope you can see how you close it into the cup. The other one kind of fits more like that. So when you close it down, it'll give you options. Like right now there's nothing in there, so it's just hot water, so you just hit continue. But in this case we will hit cancel, and it's hard to show you how it works without making an actual cup of something. So when you go in settings, clock, it's easy. You just cycle through here. Where's the thing I'm trying to? Prefer brew settings, wallpaper. So, K-Cup Craft 2. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Okay, so strong 14 ounce. So you can click on strong. See what it is. Yeah, we're gonna click it. Back. Night light, temperature. So you can set high altitude. What the hell is that? Oops. There you go. Enable high altitude. Nah. Temperature. That's altitude again. Temperature. That's the night light. So that's the. Get out of here. Exit. How do I get out of here? Alright. Temperature. Okay, so it's on high. And then you can adjust it that way. But I think you can also adjust it when you're brewing. Water filter reminder. I guess it has, and restore factory settings. So, thought that would restart everything. Trying to get out of here. Okay. And then power off and on is there. I'm not gonna hit that. But if we stand back real quick, focus again. I don't know why this is having an issue with focus. There we go. I think it's focused now. So, realistically, I'm thinking this probably opens up about the same height. It just opens out because this doesn't move anymore. You see? See how the bottom part doesn't move, and on the old models, the bottom part would move. So, hopefully that makes sense. And if you want me to do another review, and this actually the same deal, but it's smaller, much more thin, much thinner. So, and the reservoir appears to be bigger, and it opens like that. And there's the filter, or I think it's a filter. or the indicator, but it opens that way. So you don't need to take the whole thing off. Well, you can. There's a little notch back here where you can take the whole shebang off. There you go. Okay, that should be good enough.